Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie, and today I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful one eyeshadow makeup look. It's an easy everyday, could be a glam look for some. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then keep watching. So as you can see, my face has been primed and color corrected because I have a whole lot of acne scars right here. My face has been breaking out so much. I'm at the point where I'm almost giving up on my face. I don't know what to use right now. I'm using tea tree oil and vitamin C 20%. I don't know what else to do. I'm not gonna talk too much because soon my kids are coming in, and when they do, you're gonna hear them. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the product. I'm just gonna hold the products on camera and write them on the screen so you can see the products I'm using. I know this is a bit too red for me, but I'm gonna mix it with my Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is a little bit too light for my skin complexion, so I mix these two together to get my perfect tone. Okay. Oh, that was a whole lot. That was a whole lot of product. Right now I'm gonna add this one, this foundation, Estee Lauder Double Wear, in the color 5N 1.5. Okay, so I'm just gonna have a pump. Oh my god, everything is happening today. My phone died twice and now I can see my battery is low. And sorry guys, my energy is really low today because I've been cleaning all day. A little bit more of the foundation. I use this Bobbi Brown long wear even finish compact foundation in the color Espresso, and this is what I use to contour my face. As you can see, it's really dark, so I use a very tiny amount of it. Okay, I don't want a harsh contour, so I try to blend as much as possible. Because I'm going for a very natural beat face. Okay, and I take the rest of the product I have on my sponge and just bring it down my nose. I usually do not contour my nose at all. So what I do now is I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyes with this foundation right here. And I take this tiny little amount and just place it underneath my eyes with a brush. And I still don't want a super highlighted face as well, because I want this look to be as natural as possible. A little bit more. And I go back with the same sponge. It looks dirty now, but it's because it looks dirty now, but it's because of the foundation. And I bring a little bit above my eyes, on my eyelids. Just bring it down my smile lines as well. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna use to highlight my face with this banana powder. It's a one shadow eye look. I use the banana powder on my brow bone as my highlight as well. You make sure you blend everything seamlessly. My forehead. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using this NYX Lead Lingerie palette in LLSP01. I think I'm gonna go for this color right here. Okay. So what I do is I just take my brush and dab and swirl. I want it to look very natural and soft. You see how it blends? It almost looks like my skin. So for those of you who aren't that creative with eyeshadows or do not know how to blend, this is a very simple look for you, and it's gonna make you look put together, very easy, very seamless, but it still looks really nice. Sorry guys, everything seems to be going wrong today. My camera shut down, everything is happening. So I'm really looking forward to get this look done with. Right now I'm going in with this NYX Epic ink liner. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. I'm back and I'm gonna go in with the regular eye pencil, black. And next I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. You see, it's broken. My fan brush. Next I'm gonna go in with my blush, and it's an Eye Magic Pro number 6 blush. I got it off AliExpress. I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera and then I come back with the finished look. So now I have my eyelash on and my wig. I'm just gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in BLG 22. Urban Decay The Sleek. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, comment on the comment section below, share, and please turn on the notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching.